Hi, my name's Jeff Cuthbert. I'm the member of the National Assembly for the Caerphilly constituency, and I'm a member of the Labour Party. My constituency is often confused with the town of Caerphilly and sometimes with the borough of Caerphilly, but really it's about half of the borough of Caerphilly and is that area to the west of the River Rymney. So it covers Caerphilly town, the Aber Valley, Bedwas and Machen, Llanbradach, Ystrad Mynach, Nelson, Hengoed, Gelliger, Gilfach and Bargoed. So it's quite a large constituency with an electorate of about 64,000 people. My career in politics began in a professional sense in 2003 when I was selected for the Caerphilly constituency as the Labour candidate. But really I've been involved in politics since I was in my late teens, and that was in the late 60s. So the interest in social justice, in the labour and trade union movement has been there for a long time, and I've been an active member of the party and the trade union movement all that time. In terms of my priorities, I think I'd have to say that jobs, and particularly jobs for young people, is the main priority that I want to see developed within my constituency and across Wales as a whole. And that means that we not only have to make sure that employers are there ready to take on young people, but that young people have the skills needed to get and hold decent jobs within Wales. That, of course, starts in the education system. So it's very important for me that our education system meets the 21st century needs of young people. That involves giving them opportunities to learn vocational skills as well as the more general skills such as maths and English. Now, if any constituent needs to get in touch with me, they can phone, email me. My office is in Gilfach and the details will be on your screen. I certainly hold surgeries every other, sometimes every 3 weeks on a Saturday morning in different parts of the constituency. But because I live quite close to the Assembly, then I'm very often available during the evenings or at other times of the day. So although I am also very proud to be a Deputy Minister within the Welsh Government, I still manage to make quite a lot of time for my constituents. And of course, my constituency office is staffed with a secretary and caseworker, Michelle, and she'll be very pleased to take the message, convey it to me, and then we'll take it from there.
Cynulliad Cenedlaethol Cymru yw'r corff sy'n cael ei ethol yn ddemocrataidd i gynrychioli buddiannau Cymru a'i phobl, i ddeddfu ar gyfer Cymru ac i ddwyn Llywodraeth Cymru i gyfrif. I gael rhagor o wybodaeth ac i ganfod pwy sydd yn eich cynrychioli, ewch i cynulliadcymru.org neu gallwch chi'n dilyn ar Facebook a Twitter.